Hey, John. Okay, there's a lot of people like me that when I need my door fix, I just call my handyman. I don't know anything about doors. I get nervous when I go to Home Depot. Same thing with my car. I know what I'm an expert in, and it's not a lot of different things, especially hands-on things. Now, I know for me, if I get into a personal injury, I don't even know like what do I do? What's the next step? Can you help someone like me? Like, what's the level of your service? uh can you hold my hands and walk me through it? Like, what do you do? Or is it you just show up to court? Again, I don't quite know the legal world, but how do you help?
Yeah, it's very well put, Jack. And to put it in a small phrase, a man has to know his limitations, I guess, like you said with handiwork. Sometimes I get in trouble myself around the house, but and that's something that I try to avoid a lot in the legal profession. Sometimes attorneys may take cases that they really shouldn't be dabbling into. And so with my office, we have kind of a laser point pin focus on the types of cases and representation that we will provide. And those cases are cases that are obviously legitimate cases and personal injury cases on the topic we're on today, that need attention. And the attention that my firm provides is one of individualized service and personal service to our clients. Every client I have has my cell phone. They can reach out anytime, and I'll do my very best to keep in communication with them and have them participate in their case. And I think that's what you'll find with my firm, that you'll be receiving individualized attention as opposed to maybe being one of hundreds and hundreds of cases in some of these large firms. And what that enables my office to do is to provide specific pinpoint representation, to give your case the individualized detail, to conduct that personal investigation, to get to know you, your family, your injury, what you're going through on a daily basis through this process. And only that way will I have a keen understanding of the nature of the case, its value, and what you're looking for in the long term, and what will be an appropriate resolution. So that's just the beginning of many things that my office does. In this case, but probably one of the most important, and that is representing the individual.
Okay, good. I do have one more question, and that is
Sure.
uh and that is my Google girl thinks I'm talking to her. I'm going to take a quick break and come back with this last question.